Hello IG Garage family, is your scanner showing the P2104 code? This code means the throttle actuator control system has forced the engine to stay at idle as a safety measure. If you ignore this issue, your vehicle may not accelerate properly and can remain stuck in low power mode. P2104 stands for Throttle Actuator Control System, Forced Idle. In simple terms, the ECU has detected a problem in the throttle control system and has intentionally limited the engine to idle speed to prevent further damage. This system controls the throttle electronically drive-by-wire, which regulates how much air enters the engine for proper combustion and performance. Common symptoms include check engine light on, engine stuck at idle or very low speed, no throttle response, reduced engine power, and sometimes limp mode activation. In many cases, the vehicle will not accelerate even if you press the accelerator pedal. Now the most important part, component and sensor locations. The throttle body with actuator motor is located on the intake manifold, where air enters the engine. It includes the throttle plate, actuator motor, and throttle position sensors. The wiring harness connects the throttle body to the ECU and is exposed to heat, dust, and vibration inside the engine bay. For quick diagnosis, start by scanning for additional trouble codes because P2104 is usually triggered along with other throttle or sensor-related codes. Then inspect the throttle body connector for loose wiring, corrosion, or damaged pins. Check the accelerator pedal position sensor and throttle position sensor data using an obd2 scanner. Also inspect the throttle body for carbon buildup or sticking. If any related component is faulty, it may need repair or replacement. Finally, fix the root cause sensor, wiring, or throttle body issue, clean the throttle body if required, perform a throttle relearn procedure, clear all codes, and complete a proper road test. Fixing P2104 on time will restore normal throttle response, proper acceleration, and safe engine operation.